My student, in my today's class, you are most welcome to our today's class in mathematics. I have a particular paper here that was done by a group of students in several national schools picked across the whole country. And some of these schools that participated in this mathematics contest were Kamsinga, that is found in Western. We have Alliance Boys, we have Alliance Girls, we have Stare Boys Center, we have Lugulu Girls, we have Bunyore Girls, we have other schools like Pumwani Boys and Pumwani Girls. So we had almost 20 schools that picked their top most notch in terms of the academic performance in mathematics, you see, and brought them to participate in this contest. So I want us to go through the questions they had and be able to see which answers were these students supposed to have written, you see, in the work they submitted to the examiners for the purpose of marking. So the first question reads, make P the subject of the formula. Make P the subject of the formula in. Make P the subject of the formula in. So that is question 1. Make P the subject of the formula in. So we have X is equal to the square root of Y into P minus Y, close the brackets, then this is put over P minus I. So they have told you to make P. So make P the subject of the formula. Make P the subject of the formula in this. So what are you supposed to do? In such a question, you are supposed first to remove any square root that tends to appear in that formula that you have been given. And the only way you can be able to remove this square root is by squaring on either side of the equal sign. That is to tell you that you are going to have this squared and as well this one squared. So that x squared is going to be x squared, then that will be equal to this square and this square root are going to be eliminated. So we'll be left with y into p minus y, close the brackets, and everything is put over p minus I. You see, the square root has been removed. In any case, you're supposed to do that as your first step. The next thing to do is x squared is equal to, and open the brackets, y times p, that is yp or py, minus y times y, that will be y squared, which is put over p minus I. I have just opened the brackets to make my work very easy. The next thing, I am going to remove my denominator. So I'm going to have p minus I multiplied on both sides, p minus I, so that this and this are found on the same side of the equal sign. We have to get eliminated. Then what happens? On this other side, I am going to open the brackets. X squared times p, I'm going to get x squared p, less x squared times I, I'm going to get x squared I. That will be equal to yp minus y squared. Okay, the next thing is to collect like terms. How do I collect like terms? Because I want to make P the subject of the formula, I need to ensure that any expression that has P has to get placed or put on one side. So all those terms with a P should be put on one side for the purpose of making that P the subject of the formula. So I can decide to pick this and take it on this side, then take this on this other side. So I have x squared p. Then this is yp. We assume there's a positive sign here. So crossing this equal sign, it becomes minus yp. That will be equal to, what is left here? Negative y squared. Okay, then this is minus x squared I. It will be plus x squared I. Okay, then we come here. So I have x squared p minus yp, okay, should be equal to minus y squared plus x squared I. So next, let's factorize out p. So we'll have p into x squared, okay, minus y. That will be equal to minus y squared plus x squared I. I divide both sides by x squared minus y, divide both sides by x squared minus y. So this and this will get eliminated. So that my p, as whatever I want to make the subject of the formula, should be equal to minus y squared plus x squared I divided by x squared minus y. That becomes our final answer for that question.